Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your e-commerce site with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Select themes to view your current theme settings. Click on Customize to open the theme editor. Here, you can modify the layout and appearance of your site. Check each section to ensure consistency with your brand. Adjust the typography and colors as needed to enhance readability. Next, review your product pages for any missing or unclear information. Add high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Ensure that product descriptions are compelling and informative. Now, it's time to test the functionality of your site. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Make sure the checkout process is smooth and user-friendly. Verify payment gateways are set up correctly and functioning. Go back to your home page and check for broken links. Fix any links that lead to 404 error pages. Optimize your website speed by compressing images. Consider installing apps that help improve site performance. Finally, preview your site on mobile devices to ensure it's responsive. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish the updates. Your e-commerce site is now better equipped to attract and retain customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.